Hi guys, SillyRay321 here, and I got an orange bird from Toys R Us. It is really awesome. It does have sound. I'm going to show you that in a minute. First of all, he has a really tall beak. It's really awesome. It's really hard to find this plush. The eyebrows, it looks really good, really awesome. The eyes are really different from the other ones. Anyway, this is a 8-inch. So I'm gonna put that back. So, anyways, as I was saying, bah! I told you get out of the video. Bah! Come on, get out. Bah! Okay, fine. You can stay here for like the whole video. Fine. And as I was saying, the orange bird has a black bottom. No homo. He has a tall beak. The eyes, I already showed you the eyes. The sound, did I show you the sound? I think. No. It only makes sound on the back. And the tail looks like the replica of the game. And it says Angry Birds. And it has some weirdish stuff, I don't know, and a code right there. I don't know what the heck is that. But yeah, it's like this. Big bro, why are you in the video? But SillyRay321 says that you can't. Come on, get out. I'll give you some candy. Oh, I want some candy. Not you, orange bird. Come on, big bro. Anyways, the orange bird is so great. You can get him at Toys R Us. It's really hard to find it at Target, Walmart. It's really easy to find it at Toys R Us. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe. SillyRay signing out. Peace.